Yo, what is going on YouTube? Just an updated video today to show you driving empire codes in 2026. These are by far the best available codes for driving empire. I searched high and low on Google, doing what I'm doing here, searching through the usual codes websites. I've also searched on YouTube, watched tons of videos. Most of them clickbaited me. But I've managed to find probably the best driving empire Roblox codes, allowing you to unlock all the cars for free, so you can get free cars and tons of free money. Before I show you guys where to go ahead and get these codes, make sure you drop a like on this video and subscribe to my channel, because I am always creating updated videos as and when they're needed. So let's show you these driving empire codes in 2026. You need to use your mobile phone. Now, I know you probably play driving empire on your PC or desktop, but to get your code, I recommend you use your mobile, and then you can enter it in game on your PC. So you've got to go to www.coldcoupons.com. So type it exactly like this, guys. And Cold Coupons is basically a codes website. I've been using them for tons of other games, but I did notice they had a driving empire Roblox codes page on here. So you can just use the search bar and search for driving empire. Now, there are only a couple of codes, but as I mentioned, these codes are definitely the best. You can get a code for 10 million free cash in driving empire. So this is going to get you free money. You can also unlock all cars. So these will give you every single car up to the date that you choose to use this code on. I'm going to select the cash one for this example. I've already done this myself, so I don't want to waste a code for this video. So I'm just going to run through the steps that you're going to need to take, guys. So as you can see, it says your code is ready, and it will be revealed below after verification. And as you can see, your driving empire code is currently locked. This basically stops people from stealing the 200 codes remaining, and it limits one code per person, so you can only do this once to get 10 million cash. So click on get full code, and you need to follow the instructions on this screen here, guys. Really easy. This is the code unlocker. It says complete 2 of the free offers below to unlock your code from Cold Coupons. Now, these basically sponsor Cold Coupons. That's how they can supply these awesome codes to us. As you can see, they're all completely free, and there's simple things like mobile application installs where you open applications or play games, stuff like that. Just complete 2 of those and your driving empire code will be fully unlocked and revealed. You can redeem it in game, and that in this case is going to supply you with 10 million free cash, but you can also get the free cars code as well. So go to Cold Coupons, and these are by far the best driving empire codes in 2026. Make sure you drop a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.